I want to share how I make mayonnaise. It's super simple and super fast. So these are the things that you'll need. A measuring cup, measuring spoons, immersion blender, some salt, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, don't have a lemon, an egg, and a light olive oil. And there's an order that you're supposed to do it in. So egg first. Being careful not to crack the yolk. And then the oil. For the oil, you need 3/4 of a cup and then 2.5 tablespoons on top of that. It's almost a cup, but it's just under. Seems like a lot of oil, but this is actually less than I usually use. So here's the 1/2 tablespoon and the tablespoon. No, 2, right? 2.5. Okay. And this is so fast, it's ridiculous. And then on top of that, you're going to have either white wine vinegar or lemon juice. I'm using lemon juice, and I need a tablespoon. And then we need salt, just 1/4 teaspoon, which I don't measure. Finally, the Dijon mustard. This is optional, but I like it. I'm almost out. So, teaspoon. And that's all the ingredients that you need. So what you do with the immersion blender is you put it in all the way to the bottom. You turn it on. You're going to wait 10 seconds before you move it. So there is your mayonnaise. It's called a 30-second mayonnaise, but I actually don't even spend that amount of time on it. That's it. That's it. Now, there it is, homemade mayonnaise that probably costs you way less than what you're going to pay for in the store. And it's all fresh, you know what's in it, no crap. And olive oil is the best oil to use. So now all I'm going to do is decant this into this jar using this funnel. I don't know, can you see that? That's pretty mayonnaise-like. And so easy if you have the immersion blender. Now I was using a regular blender before, and you have to very slowly, painstakingly, slowly pour the oil in as it's going, and oh, very frustrating. It wasn't working for me, so then I discovered this, and I'm incredibly happy that I did, because look, I have a jar of mayonnaise. Now this is good for 1 to 2 weeks in your fridge. Look at that. Mayo. It's just lovely. Mayonnaise. So there, I hope you give it a try.